Choosing the right packaging can help your business protect its products and reduce your environmental impact. But finding the right packaging can be a challenge. Here are 4 easy steps from the FedEx Packaging Lab to help you get started. First, make sure the product is protected. Your packaging needs to be big enough to fit your product without leaving too much room for the contents to shift during transit. Next, ensure you're using the right amount of material. The packaging needs to be sturdy enough to help your product avoid damage, but not significantly bigger than your product. Choosing a box that's too big can cost more to ship and wastes materials. Then, you'll want to make sure you're choosing sustainable packaging materials. Check with your supplier to see if they're involved in sustainable forestry or green manufacturing. Finally, you need to think about your customer base. Will they take steps to properly dispose of your packaging? For example, most compostable packages can't be composted at home, so you need to pick materials that fit your customers' behaviors or work to provide education on how to properly dispose of your packaging. If your packaging meets everything we just covered, you're ready to start shipping more sustainably. If you have more questions, you can learn more about choosing the right packaging at fedex.com/packaging lab.